Okay. Uh, okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to everyone. Okay. So as usual, we begin the session with doa for a non-Muslim, one of the India girls in your class on your own, and the rest we begin with Kitab Al-Fatihah. Punya apa tadi tu? Okay, now guys, girls, I'm trying to finish up our recall a lecture for part 2 and part 3. So we're now in part 2, 7.2 compound angles. Okay, so now express the formula of this. Okay, so this is the things that we're gonna discuss on this part here now. Oh, ada lagi yang mau masuk ke? Okay, so cos A plus B and tangent A plus minus B. Okay, so for this part, this is a formula which I think that every single time that you met with this question in, especially in SPM and might be in future in PSPM kalau ada, then they will give you all these formulas for you to use. Okay, so double angle formula, sine A plus B. Okay, for this one is actually from let's say sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus sine A, no. Okay, is cos A sine B. Okay, so as we know that from sine A plus minus B equal to sine A cos B plus minus cos A sine B. Okay, so when we come up with sine A plus B, then we have the formula of sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, so now let's say if this B, we change it into A here. So A plus A equal to A, then change every B here with A and A. So look at this one, we have sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. Okay, which I think that actually that these two are exactly the same. Sine A, cos A, cos A. Then they give you 2 sine A, cos A. Okay, then we get this. Okay, cos to A. Cos to A, there are 3 different appearance here. The result of this, okay, 1, 2, 3, because we know that the formula of cos A plus minus B equal to cos A cos B minus plus sine A sine B. Okay, look at this one here, sine A, then the opposite of that, sine A plus B, it gives you cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So when we would like to find out the cos 2A, just change this B into an A. Cos A plus A equal to cos A minus sine A sine A. So cos A cos square A minus sine A minus sine square A. So we get the first one, cos square A minus sine square A. Okay, and then how do we get these two? Okay, So using the trigonometric identities, sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Okay, from here we can elaborate for sine square A equal to 1 cos square, bring to the other side 1 minus cos square A. And from this also, from here, we elaborate cos square A equal to 1 minus sine square A. Okay, now, okay, just for this one, just like to introduce to all of you a few how we call the formulas appearance, but then at last you just only need to use, not to memorize all these things, but just to make this recall this discussion quite interesting. Okay, so from cos square minus sine square. Okay, let's say cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sine square a. Okay, so now let's say if I substitute sine square here, I have sine square here, substitute with 1 minus cos square. Cos square A minus, okay, sine square equal to 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square A. Then it gives you cos square A, negative times 1 minus 1, negative and negative positive, cos square A. Then it gives you cos square A plus cos square A, 2 cos square A minus 1. There you go. Okay. And also, if I come up with another appearance here, cos square A equal to, okay, just now I substitute with, replace with sine square A, which 1 minus cos square. Let's say I substitute with cos square A, where cos square A equal to 1 minus sine square. So, wait. Okay, so cos square, uh, wait. Okay, cos 2a equal to, okay, just now I substitute or replace this sine square a with this one, sine square a 1 minus cos square a. Now it's time for cos square. Cos square here, substitute with 1 minus sine square a, and then cos 2a, cos 2a equal to cos square. Cos square is because substitute with 1 minus sine square, and then cos square minus sine square a. So then 1, negative 2 sine square minus sine square minus 2 sine square a. So we get another identity step, okay, for double angle formula. Okay, so this is just for discussion, just for you to know, setiap terbitan tu, there's we call, that's how we try to, we call, find it all of them. Okay, and then next one, so tangent to A, okay, for we call tangent A plus minus B equal to tangent A, tangent B divided by 1 minus tangent A, tangent B. Okay, so look at this one, tangent to A, when we change this B in the angle of A, so A plus A plus A, so look at this one, negative here, minus. So tangent A plus tangent B divided this, and change this angle B with A and also A, then you got 2 for tangent A plus B plus, sorry, tangent A plus tangent B, so 2 tangent A divided by 1 minus tangent A times A tangent square A. Okay. So class saya explain je benda ni, but then at last all you need to do is just to use all the formulas or the angle because the identities to solve the question. So substitute A with A over 2 for double angle formula. So for half angle formula, that's it. Okay. For this one, okay. Just now we have sine 2A. So divide by 2 sine A. So 2 sine A cos A. So change this into A over 2 and also A over 2. Substitute with A over 2 then. So the rest of it, you just do it yourself then. Okay, so sine A. Okay, class, for this one, when given to us sine A equal to 3 over 5 and cos B 5 over 13, A and B are acute angles. So we mentioned about acute angle, which is theta or angle that lies in between 0 up to 90 degrees. Okay, so 0 to 90 degree, all in the first quadrant. Okay, so just test ourselves here right now. Okay, sine A equal to 3 over 5. Okay, sine is sine, which is opposite divided by class. Sine opposite divided by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Good. So let's say we given to us a triangle here where this is the angle of A, and then angle of A, sine A is opposite. Opposite is 3 divided by hypotenuse, which is 5. Okay, from here, as we know that the triangle, the triangle deals with a 90-degree angle then. So when we have this, we will use the Pythagoras theorem, which is x squared plus y squared equal to z squared. X squared, let's say there's an x here, y here, and z for this one. So x squared plus y, which is 3, 3 squared equal to z, which is 5 squared. So x squared plus 3 squared equal to 9, 5 squared 25, x squared equal to 25 minus 9, 16, then x equal to plus minus 4. But since that we are talking about distance, so we only take the value of positive, which is x equal to 4. So x equal to 4. Okay, so now cos A equal to, what is the value of cos A? Class, what is the value of cos A? Cos adjacent divided by hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5, and tangent A equal to
3 over
3 over 4. Opposite divide by adjacent here. Good. 3 over 4. Okay. Now, this is how we find the rest of the cos and tangent when given to us one of the angles sine alpha, sine A equal to 3 over 5, for example. Okay. Now, okay, kalau saya klik saja keluar semua ni dalam yang slide selepasnya, tapi mungkin kamu tak belajar something, kamu just copy up the recall, just salin dia punya rajah. Is now I explain to all of you recall how we get all the angle of this. Okay, now 5 over 13 cos 5 over 13. Okay, let's say this angle of B, okay, cos B. Angle of B, cos is adjacent 5 divided by hypotenuse, which is 13 here. Okay, so again, let's say this is x, this is y, and this is z. So then x squared plus y squared equal to z squared, where x 5 squared plus y squared equal to z squared. Z is 13, 30 squared, 25 plus y squared equal to 169. Y squared equal to 169 minus 25. Berapa? This 169 divided by minus 25. 144. So y equal to
12.
12. Good. Okay, so now we agree that y equal to 12. Okay, so then given to us is cos b. Cos b equal to 5 over 13. Sin b equal to sine opposite divided by hypotenuse 12 divided by 13. And tangent b equal to opposite divided by, just said here, 12 divided by 5. Okay, so now class, I just test all of you with one of the example then, and after this I will click to the next slide. It will show you to recall all the answers here. Sine a plus b, sine a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, can anyone make a double check whether this we call formula is correct or not? Betul tidak ni? Anyone can double check and make a confirmation whether this formula is correct or not?
Betul, sir.
Betul ya? Okay, sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Thank you very much. Okay, so now guys, girls, it's time for us to use all the, I call, what we have here right now. Sine A, where we have sine A? Sine A equal to 3 over 5. Cos B, 5 over 13. Cos A, 4 over 5. And sine B, 12 over 13. Okay, so this is 3 over 13 plus with cos A, 4 over 5, and sine B, 12 over 13. Okay, simplify this. Since that this one will give you a fraction, but this we call the denominators will not exactly equal to the 13. Simplify that and you will get the answer. Okay, so now it's time for me to just click out to share with you. Okay, yang ini kita dah lakarkan tadi. This one we call the triangles without the x and y axis. So sine A cos B for this one here now equal to 63 over 65. Then cos A minus B. What is the value of cos A? Class. What is the value of cos A just now?
4 over 5.
4 over 5. Okay. Cos B, 5 over 13. If you refer to this, because saya tak pakai nota sekarang. If you recall, if you copy it out, we call the lecture notes and you bring out the lecture note with you right now, then you can refer it. So Cos B equal to 5/13 plus sine A 3/5 and sine B 12/30. Okay, simplifying the denominator and simplify the answer then. Okay, so tapi kalau saya klik laju ni pun nanti saya akan share balik jawapan video ni dalam YouTube ataupun mungkin dalam Google Classroom ataupun mana-mana lah, supaya you all boleh tengok balik dan boleh salin balik. Sebab sekarang mungkin kalau saya laju sangat, you all pun tak ada respon macam dalam kuliah, betul. So saya tak tahu siapa cepat siapa lambat. Ini dah record dan nanti you tengok balik. Okay. Tangent A plus B. Okay, so this one here now. So tangent A 3/4 plus tangent B 12/5, 1 minus this one here now. So for this, we make it, we call equalize the denominator, 5 times 5, 3 times 5, 5 times 4, and 12 times 4. Okay, so we get 20 here, 3 times 5, 15, 12 times 4, 48. And for this one, multiplication, 12 divided by 4 equal to 3, 3 times 3 equal to 9/5. Then you get this one here now. 9/9, sorry. Okay, 5/5. Okay, over 5. So 5/5 equal to 1. 5 minus 9 equal to negative 4/5. Bring above here, become negative 5/4. Then you get negative 63/60. Okay, now simplify sine 4x cos x minus cos x, 4x minus sine x. Okay, so for this one here now, we look at this and this one here. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So, for this, equal to this is sine A minus B, right? Sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus, okay, sine A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So then, there you go. So, just assume that this is A and this is B. So, 4x minus x, 4x minus x equal to sine 3x. Okay, then next, find the exact value without using calculator of sine 15 tangent pi/12. So class, we are going to use the we call a special angle. Okay, special angle of we have 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Okay, from here it will give you, let's say, sine, cos, and tangent. Sine 30, 1/2 cos 30, yang ada tu lah. Okay, so for this one here now, sine 60 minus 45, A minus B, is going to give you sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So if A equal to 60 and 45, 60 and 45, so that's it. And the value of sine 60 and cos 45. Okay. If you cannot memorize or recall the angle of this, let's say 60 degree. 60, 30 here. Okay, maybe that we need to remember what is the value of, we call the side here. But for 45, if 45 here, 1, 1, and square root of 2 here. Okay, but then for this topic, don't worry, they will give you all the angle because the formula that needed to answer this question. So sine 60 cos 45, there you go. Sine 60 equal to sec 3 divided by 2, cos 45 1 over square root of 2, and sine 45 1 square root of 2 then here. Okay, so then simplify this. Okay, so next one. Okay, tangent pi over 12, pi over 3 minus pi over 4. So let's make this one here multiplied with 4, and this also multiplied with 4. This multiplied with 3, and pi multiplied with 3. So 4 pi minus 3 pi divided by 3 times 4 equal to 12. Then this one 4 pi minus 3 pi, pi over 12. Okay, tangent A minus B. Tangent A minus B equal to tangent A minus tangent B divided by 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Okay. Class, we consider this pi as 180 degree. So pi over 3, 180 divided by 3. What will get then?
60, sir.
60, good. And 180 divided by 4?
45.
45. So, can you please tell me what is tangent 60? If you have a calculator with you right now, and tangent 45. Okay, tak apa, saya pun saya cuba cari sama. Tangent 60 degree. Okay, tangent 60, which is square root of 3. Okay, and then tangent 45 equal to 1. Okay, so tangent 60, which is square root of 3 minus tangent 45, which is equal to 1. Okay, class, tangent 45, we can also refer to, let's say this is 45, and this is also 45, with the side of 1, 1, and here square root of 2. So let's take this 45 here, tangent of 45 equal to tangent opposite divided by adjacent here. So 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, for this one, this is the multiplication with the conjugate. Multiplication with the conjugate. Okay, 1 plus square root of 3 and 1 minus square root of 3. There you go. Okay, next. Okay, given that sine A equal to negative 8 over 17, where A in fourth quadrant. A in fourth quadrant. Okay, when given to us any triangle, okay, and then This is A, and sine equal to opposite. Sine equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite. Look at this. If we compare with y-axis, this one is here. Okay, -8/17. Hypotenuse does not reflect for x or y-axis. This is always positive. Okay, so this is -8. Okay, so now -8 for y, and the hypotenuse is 17. So what is the distance of this A of x-axis? So then x square plus -8 square equal to 17 square equal to 17 square, 289. Okay, -8 square equal to 64. Then x square equal to 289 minus 64 equal to 225. Then x equal to
15, sir.
15. Good. 15. So then this distance is 15. This is -8, and the hypotenuse is 17. So find the following without using calculator. So I'm testing you. Okay, saya bincangkan benda ni, walaupun kalau saya klik dia mungkin you all just copy out, tapi saya cerita supaya you all boleh nampak jalan kerja dia. So sin A equal to -8/17 cos A and tangent A. Cos A, cos adjacent 15 divided by hypotenuse, which is 15/17. And tangent opposite divided by adjacent here, -8/15. Class, this triangle right now in the fourth quadrant, and from sine, cos, and tangent, which angle, okay, which value that give you positive? Sine, cos, or tangent?
Cos.
Cos. Why? Because earlier in in part 1, we agreed that in first quadrant is all positive for sine, cos, and tangent. In second quadrant is only positive for sine. The third quadrant is only positive for tangent, and the fourth quadrant is only positive for cos. Look at this one. Sine is negative, tangent is positive, but negative, but for cos it is positive here. Sekejap, ada yang baru masuk ke? Okay, so now this is the values. Is find the times for us to use this one here. Tangent 2A. There you go. Okay, kita dah bincangkan awal tadi. Tangent 2A, 2 tangent A minus 1 minus tangent square A. Okay, so 2 tangent A, where tangent A just now, tangent A -8/15, -8/15, and 1 minus tangent square, -8/15 in bracket square. So then, it is we call -240 divided by 161. Okay. Okay, next, cos A, 2 cos square A/2 minus 1. Okay. Wait. (15/17). Ni ambil mana Cos 2A, okay. Okay, okay. Cos A is 15 over 17, betul ke? Okay, cos A 15 over 17. Saya sangkut pending kejap, sorry. So cos A equal to 15 over 17 and then 2 cos square A over 2 minus 1. Okay, so then bring this one to the other side, become positive, plus 1 plus 15 over 17. And then change this in the form of 17 over 17. So 17 plus 15 equal to 32, 17 here. Okay, so saya harap kau boleh nampak dia punya jalan kerja tu macam mana. Okay, so cos A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1, and then cos A, we already found it in equal the angle of cos A just now earlier. So change this in the form of 15 over 17 and bring this negative 1 to this side. Then we join up with 15 over 17. So negative 1 become positive 1 and change in the form of 17 over 17. Okay, and 17 plus 5, 32, 17 here. So now, okay, from here, 2 multiply with 1 over 2 here and also 1 over 2 here. Then 32 divided by 2 equals to 16. And then square recall. Nak hapuskan ni, kita kena square root left and right. So it give you cos A over 2 plus minus 32 over 34. And then cos A over 2, okay, since that A lies in the fourth quadrant, okay, so this is cos A over 2. Cos A over 2 equal to positive negative 4 over 17. A lies in the fourth quadrant. As we know that in the fourth quadrant is only cos with positive, am I right? So then we are taking the positive 4 over square root of 17. Okay. Okay, so since the A lies in the fourth quadrant, so A lies in 270 degree. Is 90, 180, and this is 270 degree, and this is 360 degree. So this is the angle in the fourth quadrant. So A equal to 270 to up to 360. So divide by 2. Say it gives you A over 2 here right now. A over 2 lies in 135 and 180. So 135 and 180 is 90 somewhere. 135 up to 180. 135 and 180 here. So A over 2, the angle of A over 2 here lies in the second quadrant. So now we are taking the value of negative cos A over 2. Okay, I'm taking this positive because the first list, we call the angle of A lies in the fourth quadrant. But when we come to through this process, looking at this angle of A over 2, we are not dealing with a positive right now, but then dia bertukar ke negative. So cos A over 2 equal to negative 4 over square root of 17. Okay, for this one here. Okay, find the exact value of this. Tangent 67, 1 over half over 2. Okay. So for this one here now is a tangent 135. Okay, tangent 135. Okay, 135 is a positive angle from here to this line is 90 and 135 somewhere around here. So this is 135. But then when we're talking about tangent, in second quadrant, it's only a positive, so for sine. But for cos and tangent is negative, so now then this is the basic angle of 45. So it's a negative tangent 45. Negative is because it's negative for tangent in the second quadrant, and 45 is the angle of the basic angle from this line with the x-axis. Okay. Then it is equal to negative 1. Okay, prove the identity of this. Okay, let's try. Okay, without I'm clicking the button we call for the slide of this PowerPoint. Let's try on this one here. Sine x plus y, cos x, cos y. Okay, sine x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y divided by cos x cos y. Okay. Okay, so now from here, we make it as this one here, a plus b. Okay, a plus b divided by c. We come up with a over c plus b over c. So it is now sine x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus cos x, okay, cos x sine y divided by cos x cos y. Okay, so cos y divided by cos y sine y. Oh no, not the one. Sorry. Cos x and cos x. So sine x over cos x. Sine over cos is tangent x. Cosine y over cos y. Tangent y. Okay. Okay, so compound angle formula. Okay, so all this is sometimes that I cannot remember all these formulas with just a clicking because spontaneously. Sekarang saya pun saya spontan bukan beli kat semua. Okay, so it's okay, we try. Sine 6 theta c theta plus sine 4 theta is a product of the trigonometric function. Okay. So for this one, sine 6 theta plus sine 4 theta, we're going to use this. Okay, sine p plus sine q equal to this one here now. So just assume that 6 theta equal to p and 4 theta equal to q. Okay, so it is now 2 sine p plus q. 6 theta plus 4 theta equal to 10 theta divided by 2, and cos 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2 theta divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5, and 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. 2 sine 5 theta cos theta. Okay. 2 sine 5 theta and cos theta. Sama macam ni. Okay. Okay. This one here now. So look at this one here now. 2 cos 3x cos 5x. Okay, we have 4 here and 2 here. Okay, So take out a 2 from 2 here, take out 2. Okay, 2 times 2 equal to 4. Okay, so 2 cos 3x cos 5x. Okay, so for this one here now, cos 3x plus 5x equal to 8x, 3x minus 5x equal to negative 2x. Okay. Okay, example 9. Prove the following identities. Okay. So, class, sine what I call sine A plus sine B here. Okay, yang ini ambil formula mana? Ada kot. Yang kamu cuba rujuk balik kalau nota kuliah lah. Okay, so expansion of this equal to 2 sine 7a plus 3a. This one here is cos 7a minus 3a divided by 2. And the expansion of this equal to 2 cos 7a 3a of this. Okay, 7 plus 3 equal to 10 divided by 2 equal to 5a. So look at this one here, 2 divided by 2, cos 2a divided by cos 2a. So what we have right now, sine 5a divided by sine cos. Okay, sine divided by cos equal to tangent 5a. There you go. Cos 15 minus sine 15. So sine 15 is sine 15 equal to, I think that kat sini silap kot, cos 90 minus 15 cos 75. Okay. Okay, so for this one, they come up with cos 15 minus cos 75. They change this term of sine into cos here and come up with double angle formula again. Okay, so which I think that from here to here is cos A minus cos B equal to negative 2 sine A plus B divided by 2 and sine A minus B divided by 2. Okay. There you go. Okay, so this is a solution example for this record for this question here. Okay, so class, there are quite many, or because there are agak banyak sikit angle formula that we need to remember, but because in every examination they will give you all these formulas for the students then. Okay, so right now we move the second part. Okay, kelas masih nampak ke appreciation ni?
Nampak, sir.
Nampak, okay. Cuba baca soalan 7.3 apa yang tulis tu?
Solutions of trigonometric equations.
Okay, good. So then for this one here, we're going to solve the equations such as sine beta, sine cos beta, and tangent beta. Okay, solve the equation in quadratic form, express, and this one here now. Okay. General form of trigonometric equation, sine theta equal to k, where k is a real numbers. For example, might be sine theta equal to 5. Okay. Cos theta equal to 3. Okay. Identify the range of the given angle and the quadrant of the basic angle. So look at this. The step in solving trigonometric equation. First, identify the range of the given angle. And then the quadrant. Quadrant means that is either quadrant 1, 2, 3, or quadrant number 4. Find the basic angle. Okay, look at this. Find the basic angle and list the answers in radian or degree. Depend on the range given. Okay, so kalau you nota kertas tu ada dengan you all sekarang, then lebih you all jelas nampak. Okay. So now, solve sin theta equal to square of 3 over 2. And look at this one. The angle of theta is from 0 to 360 degree, meaning class 0 to 360 means that from x-axis is circular. We call the direction here. So this is the angle from 0 to 360 degree. The direction, okay, the direction is important. Now, let's say sin theta equal to square root of 3 over 2, which is positive. Sin theta equal to positive. So in which quadrant that sign give you all positive value? Dalam sukuan keberapa sign bernilai positif?
Quadrant 1 and 2.
Quadrant 1 and 2. Good. Okay. Quadrant 1 and 2. Firstly, our reference here right now, sin theta equal to square root of 3 divided by 2, positive. So this positive will tell us that this angle lies in which quadrant. So because sine equal to positive, it lies in the first and the second quadrant. If sine theta is negative, negative square root of 3 over 2, then lies in the third or the fourth quadrant. Okay. So now theta lies in the first and the second quadrant. So it means that here right now, basic angle. Okay, basic angle class for this one, you may press the calculator. Okay, we're going, okay, sine theta equal to square root of 3 divided by 2. So theta equal to arc sine of square root of 3 divided by 2. Arc sine, I'm using the calculator from my smartphone. Okay, if you bring up your own, if you have your own scientific calculator with you right now, okay, press the button of shift and sign. Press the button of shift and sign. It will give you sine to the power of -1 arc sine. Okay, and then substitute the value of square root of 3 and 2. It will give you 60. So guys, girls, the basic angle is 60 in the first quadrant. So because it's positive because it is positive in the first and second quadrant, we need to also find out that 60 in second quadrant. So now the angle in the first quadrant is 60 and the angle in second quadrant, what about this? Class, what is the angle in the second quadrant here? From the beginning until here. The basic is 60 and 60. So from here to here,
120.
good, 120. So the value of theta equal to 60 and 120. So it means that here, guys, girls, the basic angle, we get the basic angle is 60 here, Okay, basic angle is 60 here, but we look into the angle in the second, third, or quadrant. X-axis is our reference. Paksi X ialah rujukan kita. So look at this 60 and 60 here. So the first is 60 and 120 from here to this angle, to this line. So this is 60 and this is 120. Okay. Okay. So the value of theta is 60 and 120 degree. Okay, now guys, girls, what about this? Secant is
1 over cos.
1 over cos theta equal to, okay, so secant is 1 over cos, so square root negative square root of 2, then cos theta equal to 1 over cos theta equal to negative square root of 2, then cos theta equal to
Negative 1 over square root of 2.
okay, good. Now, cos theta equal to negative 1 over square root of 2. So what is the first thing that we need to find out here right now? Apa yang kita nak cari sekarang yang first? Okay, 0 until 2 pi, which is also 2 pi. Okay, no, bukan saya cutting 2 pi, sorry. Whereas 2 pi is also considered as 2 times 180 degree, which is 360 degree. Okay, cos theta equal to negative. In which quadrant that give us cos theta equal to negative? Okay, as we know that in the first and fourth quadrant, cos is positive, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so opposite of that, in which quadrant that give us cos theta equal to negative value?
2 and 3.
Okay, good. Second and the third quadrant here right now. Okay, cos theta equal to negative 1 over square root of 2. So it lies in the second and the third quadrant. And we need to find the basic angle first. So for this one, theta equal to arc cos, okay, of 1 of negative 1 over square root of 2. Okay, because the record we want it is always positive, so we have absolute values here. So absolute values negative 1 over square root of 2, it become positive. So arc cos of 1 over square root of 2. What is the value of this? Arc cos of, okay, negative bila absolute values akan jadi positif. So 1 over square root of 2, which is 45. There you go. Okay, so 45 is also pi over 4, which is 180 degree divided by 4 equal to 45. So pi over 4. So now the theta lies in 0 up to 360 degree. It lies in the second and the third quadrant. We already declared this. Okay, because the cos we equal to negative and basic angle is 45. So now okay, 45 in the second quadrant and 45 in the third quadrant. Okay, so now from here up to here, and also from here up to this angle. So what is the first purple angle here? And what is the second purple angle here? Class? 90 plus, okay, 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45, sorry. 180 minus 45.
135.
1, 135.
135.
Okay, 135 degree. 180 plus 45.
225.
225. Okay, 3 pi over 4. Berapa nilai 3 pi over 4? Pi is 180. So 3 times 180 divided by 4. 135. This is 135 degree. Okay. And then 5 times 180 divided by 4. 225. Okay. Boleh ya? Okay, tangent 2 theta equal to negative 1650. Okay. In general, we say the theta lies in 0 up to 360 degree. But when it comes to 2 theta, so class 360 is a one complete cycle. From 0 and complete cycle here, it gives you 360 degree. So what about 720? What about 720? It's so we call circulation is twice. Okay, one complete cycle 360, so two complete cycle 720 degree. Okay, so if this is tangent theta, then we're talking about 0 up to 360 degree theta here. But when it comes to 2 tangent 2 theta, the angle is 2 theta, so double of this 0, 720. Okay, and then tangent equal to negative. In which quadrant that give us tangent negative value? Class? Okay, in which quadrant that give us tangent positive? Tangent positive in the
First and third.
first and third. Good. This is tangent positive. So opposite of this, second and the fourth quadrant where tangent is negative here. So we are talking about second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Okay, it lies in the second and the fourth quadrant. Then next, basic angle. arctangent, okay, modulus of negative, because arctangent or arcsine, arccos, dia mesti positif dalam ni. So we need to come up with absolute value sign here. So every single negative value will turn into positive. So arctangent of 0.650 is 33.02. Okay, just now we agree that tangent is negative in the second and the fourth quadrant. Okay, tangent negative in the second and the fourth quadrant, and this is the basic angle. So just imagine that this basic angle is 33.02 and here 33.02 degree. Okay, so the angle that we're looking for actually start from here to this, and from here up to this. Okay, can you please tell me what is the value of the first purple angle here? 180 minus 33.02 degree.
146.98.
146.98. Okay, the second purple angle here. 360 minus 33.02.
326.98.
326.98 degree. Is that all? Dua ni ke jawapan dia? Yes or no? Can anyone guess? Is this all? Is this all? Is there only two answers here?
No.
No. Why?
Sebab dia putar 2 kali.
Putar 2 kali itu complete cycle. Good. Meaning, this is 14698, 326.98. So let's say again here 33.02 degree. Okay, first complete cycle and stop here. And another one, when we have this basic angle of 33.02 degree, one complete cycle and then end up here. Okay, so just imagine that, okay, for this one, complete cycle, one cycle, complete cycle, 360 plus 90, 450, and then plus 90, 540. 540 minus 33.02. Come on. Hello. Class, anyone? Okay, one complete cycle, 360, plus 90, 450, plus another 90 degree, 540. 540 degree minus 33.02 degree equal to? Okay, try to click the button, call the calculator. 540 minus 33.02 which is 506.98. 506.98 degree. So for this one here now, just imagine it is 720 degree minus 33.002 degree. Okay, so this is the list of the angle. Okay, nanti you all boleh rewind, forward, pause, balik, tengok balik, because all this will be recorded and I put somewhere record in my channel so that you can record access to the videos again. Okay. Okay, so this is 2 theta. 2 theta, all the angles that we found just now. So we want it in the theta, so divide by 2. Every single of this, divide by 2. Okay. Okay, so for what about this one here now? Okay, for this one, it's just like sine theta divided by cos theta. Sine theta divided by cos theta divided by cos theta equal to 1. Sine over cos is tangent theta equal to 1. So positive. Tangent with positive. It lies in the tangent positive lies in the first and third quadrant. Okay. And then arctangent of 1 equal to okay. So it lies in the first and the third quadrant. So look at this one here now, guys, girls. Look at this. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? Okay. Just imagine that is theta is from 0 up to 360 degree, and also 0 opposite of this. Okay, negative 360. So it lies in the first and the third quadrant. So basic angle is 45. Okay, so the first is 45 degree. The first is 45 degree, and the second here is 180 plus 45 degree, which is 2 to 5. Okay, 45 and 2 to 5. What about the negative? These two. Okay. Okay. So for this one here now, we are going to find the angle, kita kata lawan arah jam. Okay, ikut arah jam. Okay, when the angle is we call anti-clockwise direction is all positive, and if the angle we call the direction is clockwise, ikut arah jam, then the angle is negative. Okay, so now from here, this is negative 180 plus 45, which is negative 135 degree. So again, here, okay, one complete cycle is negative 360. Negative, again referring to the direction. Negative 360 minus 45. Negative 360 degree plus with 45 degree. So it is negative 315 degree. Okay, so we got 3 angles here. Okay, now alpha equal to the angle alpha equal to 0 up to 360. So alpha plus 10 equal to, it is 0 plus 10 degree, and 360 plus 10 degree equal to 370 degree here. Okay, sine of angle. Sine angle equal to negative. So, in which quadrant it lies then? Class? Class? Sine angle equal to negative. In which quadrant that give us negative? Sine negative then?
Quadrant 3 and 4.
Quadrant 3 and 4. Good. Okay. So now it lies in the third and the fourth quadrant. Then the basic angle, find the arcsine of negative 0.32. It gives you 18.66 degree. So now, okay. Okay. The angle of all this, sine of this angle equal to 18.66 here. So from here, 180 plus 18.66, and from here, okay, this is where 360 degree minus 18.66 degree, and this one is 180 degree plus 18.66 degree. Then you get 198.66, 341.34, then alpha equal to, there you go. Okay. Okay, trigonometric quadratic equation. So for this one here now, trigonometry are very important, solving the above trigonometric quadratic equation here. Okay, so in this case, class, okay, in this case, you need some time to be good in factorization, and sometimes you need to think a few trigonometric identities where we can replace or substitute into the equation. So now, because we have cos and sine here, it's because we have cos and sine. We cannot simply factorize it because it has a different identities, cos and sine. We need to change it either sine and sine or cos and cos. Okay, for this one here now, let's refresh. We have sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So then cos square x equal to 1 minus sine square x. So then we substitute, okay, replace cos square x with 1 minus sine square x. So 3 times 1 equal to 3, 3 times negative sine square x equal to, there you go. Can simplify this, and this is your quadratic equation that we can simplify, or because we can simplify factorization, okay, if we able to. Okay, it's just like 3y squared plus 2y, 3 sine square and 2 sine square equal to 0, So then we have y, one of the y, factorize 3y plus 2 equal to 0, then y equal to 0 and 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Something like this. Okay. So then, for this one, there you go. So sine x equal to 0 or sine x equal to negative 2 over 3. Okay. Okay, sine x equal to 0. Solve by using graph. Okay, this is the graph of sine. Starting from here, this is graph of sine x. Okay, where the maximum is 1 and the minimum is -1, starting from 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Okay, what's the value of x? Okay, the value of x is starting from 0 up to 2 pi. 0 until 2 pi or 360 degree. Okay, sine x equal to 0. What is the value of angle of x that give us a value 0 then? This point, and this point. Okay, we have 0, pi, and 2 pi. Nampak jelas ke tepung bertindih ni? Nampak celaru ke nampak jelas? Kelas, boleh nampak ya? Tak apalah. Because kamu boleh rewind balik. Okay, boleh rewind balik dan tengok balik apa semua lah. Okay, so according to the graph, and for sine x equal to 0, the value of x is equal to 0, pi, and 2 pi. So sine x equal to -2/3. Then arc sine, okay, -2/3. Again, using the calculator, x equal to arc sine of 2/3. Okay. The value of x here equal to 41.81 degree, the basic angle of this. So it gives the answers in radian. Okay, for this one here now. So the value of x, we're taking we're taking from both of sine x and sine x equal to -2/3. So we're taking all of this and we're taking both of this. So this all the full list of the value of x for this equation. Okay. Okay, and then for this one here now, tangent square plus 1 equal to secant x. Okay, from sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Let's say if I divide everything by cos square x. Okay, sine square divided by cos square. Sine square x divided by cos square x. Cos square x divided by cos square x. 1 divided by cos square x. Sine over cos, tangent square x. Cos divided by cos equal to 1. And 1 over cos square is secant square x. So guys, girls, do you have any idea why do I come up with this identities? Class, can you guess that why I suddenly come up with these identities? Tangent square plus 1 equal to secant square x. What is got to do with the equation here? Can anyone guess? Hello? No one? Oi. Hello, anybody home? Okay, we got tangent square x and we have tangent square x. Tangent square x plus 1. Can we just simply take all this, substitute with secant square? Let's see. Okay. I think that is still the same then. Okay. So actually that from here, tangent square x equal to secant square x minus 1. So replace with secant square minus 1 plus 1 here pun dapat sama, secant square minus secant. So for this one here now, I can give you secant x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so that secant x equal to 0 or secant x equal to 1. Secant is 1 over cos. Okay, class. From here, why is it suddenly undefined? 1 over cos x equal to 0 or cos x equal to 0. Okay, cos equal to 0. One over cos x equal to 0. Wait, kejap. Kita nanti kalau saya teringat saya patah balik untuk terangkan tu. Okay, another one here is cos x equal to 1. So when we only deal with this, since that this one is undefined, so we just focusing on this cos x equal to positive 1. Okay. Nanti kalau saya teringat balik nanti saya akan cerita balik nanti. Saya cuba ingat balik sekejap. So tak nak ganggu masa apa bila tercari-cari sangat ni, saya teruskan dulu. Okay. Cos x equal to 1 positive. So then in which quadrant that give us cos positive value? Cos positive first and 1 and 4. Okay. In first quadrant and the fourth quadrant where cos is positive. So then solve by, okay, cos x equal to 1. Solve by using the graph. Okay. Okay, because it's stated here using the graph. So I share with you the graph of cos. Okay. Where maximum is equal to 1 and minimum equal to negative 1. So this is 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and here is 2 pi. So 1 and 1 is when x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi or 0 and 360 degree. Okay. So class, actually that selain daripada guna, let's say cos x equal to 1, then we find that x equal to cos of 1. Then you get the value of this. Okay. What is cos 1? Equal to 0. Okay. It is equal to 0. So means that in the first quadrant, 0 here, and the fourth quadrant, which is 360, you can either use this or use the graph as our reference. Okay, bergantung pada soalan lah yang menggunakan apa, yang menggunakan nilai yang mudah. Okay, so cos 2x and 3 cos 3x equal to 0. So from here, cos 2x equal to this one. Cos A plus minus B equal to cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. So when we change this into A and this also into A and A, this can give you cos square A minus sin square A. So positive and negative yang first. Okay, and then change this in the from sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Then substitute with sin square A. sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So then you get cos square A minus 1 sine square is 1 minus cos square A. So cos negative, negative, positive. So cos square A minus 1. There you go. Okay. And then from here, we simplify and we factorize it. So then we get cos x equal to negative 1 and cos x equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay. Okay, sikit lagi kot nak habis kan. Agak tak lama sangat kot. Okay, cos x equal to negative 1. Can we refer to the graph? Okay, this is pi over 2 and this is pi. So can we just simply use the formula? Yes. This is 1 and here is negative 1. So from 0, then pi over 2 and pi, 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, where pi equal to 180 degree. So cos x equal to negative half. Okay, from here, which I think that you know what to do. So x equal to half cos of 1 over 2. Use the find the basic angle of this negative. So we come up with absolute values, sine. Then this one give you. Okay, wait, never mind. Cos of 1 over 2. 60. Okay. This is 60 degree and cos negative. Cos negative lies in the second and the third quadrant. Okay, so 60 here and 60 here. So the angle of this answers is, okay, 90 until here. So 180 minus 60, 120, and then 180 plus 60, 240. There you go. So overall the answers is 120, 180, and 240. Okay, this method is very useful in solving trigonometry. We cannot be solved by using the identities. So half angle formula, let t equal to, okay. Okay, so half angle formula, tangent theta, tangent 2 theta equal to 2, okay, tangent A plus tangent B divided by, okay, sorry, saya contoh tak nampak jelas. Okay, from tangent 2A equal to tangent A plus tangent B divided by 1 minus tangent A tangent B. So tangent 2A means that this is A and this is also A. So we get 2 tangent theta 1 minus tangent square A theta A. But then from this double angle kita half angle kan, bahagi 2, then we get tangent theta all this. Okay. So let T tangent theta over 2 here and this one kita gantikan sebagai T. So we get tangent theta equal to 2T divided by 1 minus T squared. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, using trigonometric identity Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 2T square plus 1 minus T Y minus t square equal to, okay, 42 square equal to 4, 40 square plus with, okay, expand of this until you get it is 1 plus t square. Okay, yang ni kamu elaborate sendiri lah. Okay. So by using this substitution, a trigonometric equation can be reduced to an algebraic equation in terms of t. Okay. So now find cos theta, okay, from here. Y minus t squared. Okay, from this, it is we call 1 plus t square, 2t, 1 minus t square here. So the value of theta. Okay, 5 cos theta, let t equal to tangent theta over 2. Okay. So then, cos theta. Cos is adjacent 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, and then sine theta equal to opposite of 2t divided by hypotenuse 1 plus t square. So this is the cos and this is sine, cos and sine here. Okay, so expand and simplify this until we get this one here now. Then what we have here right now, 7t squared plus 4t minus 3 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Factorize this and give it to you here, t equal to 3 over 7 and equal to negative 1. And what is the value of t given earlier? T equal to tangent theta over 2. Okay. Okay, mana yang sempat you all nak screenshot ke nak snap gambar tu, ikut you all lah. Okay, mana yang sempat. So given the theta equal to 0 until 2 pi, so divide by 2, divide by 2 and divide by 2, it give you pi over 2 equal to 0 until pi. So in the first or second quadrant. Okay. So tangent theta over 2, 3 over 7. Okay. Arctangent of 3 over 7 equal to arctangent 3 divided by 7. Okay. Equal to 23.1985 degree and turn it into radian. Kelas saya pun tak pastilah, nanti you all ajar saya, cara saya pun tak pernah guna sebenarnya. Change using the calculator to change from degree to radian and radian to degree. Okay, so given here now is pi over 2 is 0.45 radian, then multiply with 2 here and multiply with 2, 0.45 times 2 is 0.810 radian. Okay, for this one here now, sorry, saya jarang guna calculator untuk tukar degree ke radian, tu problem sikit. Okay, so then here now, this is the what we call value of tangent theta over 2 equal to negative 1. So this is it. Okay, and here. Okay, so the equation of 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta equal to negative 1 for this one, you know, example pun makin banyak lagi ni. Siapa dah buat nota kuliah sekarang? Tengok ada berapa slide lagi yang untuk ni? Siapa ada buat nota kuliah? Ada beberapa slide lagi nak habis ni. Oh, example 10, the last one. Okay, sorry. The last one. Okay. So then, okay. So this is, okay, sorry. Tangent 2 theta, sine 2 theta, and cos 2 theta. Just now is a tangent theta, sine theta, and cos theta. Okay. Okay, so substitute the variable sine 2 theta here and cos 2 theta here. And simplifying, we call expand and simplifying until you get that quadratic equation like this. And then factorize, take out 2, 4, take out 2 and t outside here. Then we get 2t equal to 0 or t plus 2 equal to 0 or t equal to negative 2. Okay. Tangent theta equal to 0, tangent theta equal to negative 2. So given that theta lies in between 0 up to 360 degree. Okay. So we have 0 and negative 2 here. Tangent theta equal to negative. For this one, negative. Tangent with negative lies in the tangent negative. Okay. In the first quadrant, tangent is positive. Second quadrant, tangent negative. Third quadrant, tangent positive. And the fourth quadrant, tangent is negative. So for tangent theta equal to negative lies in the second and the fourth quadrant here. Okay. For tangent theta equal to 0, okay, solve by using the graph. The graph of tangent. Okay, so it lies 0 here and 180 and 360. So kamu boleh tengok pada rujukan lain graf graf tangent yang sepenuhnya. Okay, for tangent theta equal to negative, so theta equal to arctangent of negative 2. Okay, press the calculator, it gives you these two, arctangent of negative 2. Okay, arctangent of 2. Okay, this one going to give you the recall the basic angle is 63.43 degree. Okay, so when we call tangent is negative, negative in the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant, so the basic angle is 63.43. This is 63.43 degree, and also here 63.43 degree. So the first angle is from 0 up to here, and the next is here. Okay, so 180 minus 63.48, 63.43, it gives you 160.57, and 360 minus 63.43, it gives you 296.57. There you go. Okay, so now guys, girls, these all the things that we're going to recall for our lesson or our lecture for tonight. Okay, saya minta maaf ambil masa you all semua. Hopefully that all of you can just simply continue with your tutorial for chapter 7, and bila-bila masa sajalah nanti kamu akan dapat set soalan untuk tugasan kumpulan. So then the assignment for group assignment including for chapter 6 and 7. So maknanya minggu ni, Jumaat ni ada rezeki kita jumpa di Dewan Kuliah, kita habiskan topik 7, and by next week we're gonna look into chapter 8, topic 8 of limit and continuity. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you very much, and so because sorry for taking your time during your holiday, and saya doakan semua selamat kembali ke college esok dan selamat keselamatan perjalanan dan juga selamat daripada jangkitan COVID. So that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day. Okay, jumpa lagi.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.